So this is Yacht Club Suite 16039. We have a bed, nice bed, nightstands, lights, pillows. We get to choose a pillow menu. We haven't done that yet from a menu. So we have a picture frame, TV, desk. Ooh, is this an espresso coffee maker? That's what it looks like, right? Okay, we'll figure it out. Some shelves. What is this? So we have some storage, some water, digital dating program, Mr. and Mrs. Cruise, wine, menu, we get to choose how we want to fill our minibar, but this is what's in there now. Oops, there we go. It has a sitting lounge area, so it has 2 chairs, a table, like a coffee table, a huge mirror. Our luggage is here. That's like a plus for me. Luggage is always here 5, 6 o'clock. So we have the closet area, and let's get in the other side. You think the closet is the same size as the regular rooms, or this one is bigger? I think this one is bigger. What do you think?
I think it's nicer, but it's the same
no,
size.
You think? I think it's bigger. I honestly think this one is bigger. And then we have the entrance. We have the bathroom on right when you enter. So we have the shower. So we have our toiletries here.